Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB in blue titanium, is a stunning example of engineering excellence and design sophistication, particularly when renewed through T-Mobile. The first impression upon unboxing is the premium feel of the blue titanium finish, which adds a touch of elegance and durability. This variant strikes a balance between aesthetics and functionality, making it a standout in the iPhone lineup. One of the most compelling features is the expansive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. The colors pop with incredible vibrancy and clarity, making everything from browsing images to streaming videos a delight. The ProMotion technology, with its smooth 120Hz refresh rate, enhances the overall experience, ensuring fluid scrolling and responsiveness. Performance-wise, the A17 Pro chip delivers lightning-fast speeds, making multitasking seamless. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running resource-intensive applications, the iPhone 15 Pro Max handles it all with remarkable ease. The 256GB storage capacity is generous, allowing ample space for photos, apps, and media without worrying about running out of room. The camera system is another highlight, featuring a triple lens setup that includes a 48MP main sensor. Low-light photography is exceptional, capturing details and colors that are often missed in other smartphones. The improved computational photography capabilities, such as Smart HDR and Photonic Engine, elevate the quality of your shots, ensuring every picture is striking. Battery life is impressive, lasting a full day even with heavy usage. The fast charging feature allows you to quickly recharge, ensuring you're always powered up when needed. As a renewed product, it performs nearly like a brand new device with minimal signs of wear, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking for premium features at a lower price point. In summary, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB in blue titanium from T-Mobile is a remarkable device that delivers on performance, design, and functionality. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a top-tier smartphone experience.